With the new Audi A5 family, the first models based on the Premium Platform Combustion, PPC, with partially electrified drive systems and new electronic architecture are rolling off the production line in Neckarsulm. The brand with the 4 rings is consistently gearing vehicle production towards sustainability. The goal: in line with the 360 factory production strategy, all models manufactured at the Neckarsulm site from 2025 will be net carbon neutral. To achieve this, Audi is relying on more efficient production lines, a higher degree of automation, and innovative technologies. From 2025, the renovated paint shop will be one of the most modern in the automotive industry.